Fix Mfc71u.dll error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooter. Windows Store App Troubleshooter is an excellent tool that can sometimes detect and repair issues caused by certain apps. Please run the troubleshooter as follows. Fix 2. Scan the system for corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Reinstall the program in question. If a Mfc71u.dll error shows up when launching or using a particular program, reinstalling it could be helpful. Fix 4. Reinstall Visual Studio 2003. Fix 5. Install all available Windows updates. Fix 6. Try System Restore. Restoring your system to a time when you did not experience an error can also help you find the solution. Use the following instructions. Select the point in time when the issue did not exist and click Next. Finally, click Finish.